In my last video, I mentioned how you could use third-party apps on Android phones to translate text displayed on the screen. But it seems like everything has changed completely with a new update to Android 14. A few months ago, when Google was promoting their new system features, they only mentioned something called Circle to Search. This is the interface they showed in their promotional video. However, after updating to the latest system, I noticed a new icon on this interface that wasn't mentioned in any video. When I clicked this button and saw what it did, I was shocked. There's no need to launch any app. This is a built-in feature that does exactly what all those screen translate apps can do. And the display, layout, visual effects, and readability of the text after translation, I think it surpasses any third-party app. Check this out. The only problem is that before each translation, you have to do 2 steps. First, press and hold this little bar until the control bar appears. Then click the circle button on the right to start translating. While the third-party apps, on the other hand, can start translating with just 1 click on a floating button on the screen. Anyway, this update from Google means more people can now learn about this feature. I hope everyone who's been struggling with language barriers while using their phone gets a chance to use this feature. And I also hope Google makes it even more convenient and user-friendly in the future.